The Amazon is the lungs of the world. But in my view, our forests and national wonders are the heart and soul of the world. They unite us, they inspire us, they make us proud of our countries and heritage, a bridge to the past and to our future, a birthright we pass down from generation to generation. The Amazon rainforest was built up over 50 million years. 50 million years. History is literally watching us now. So let's preserve this secret place for our time and forever, for the benefit of all humanity. Thank you very, very much.